how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas candle. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to follow along all the way to the very end of the video. The video is only going to be about 7 to 8 minutes, so stay till the end, okay? That's pretty much it. Let's get started. I don't know why it was hard to unhook the the marker there. All right, let's get going. Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. So basically, if you like learning how to draw this stuff during Christmas, when you subscribe, when next year rolls around, videos are going to start being posted about Christmas, on how to draw Christmas, and they're going to start showing up on your feed without you even remembering that you subscribed. So it's kind of cool. Same thing goes for Halloween. When Halloween rolls around next year, you're going to start seeing videos for Halloween. This is a seasonal channel, so that's why when you subscribe right now, it kind of subscribes you obviously for the rest of this season, but also for next year. All right, let's get going. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to pull a line down here for kind of the meltiness of that candle. The candle, the wax kind of melts down and falls down the side. So we're pulling these like essentially elaborate U shapes. That's literally what I think of them. It looks like the letter U, but like a really elaborate long version of it. Pulling down here, up. Out over here, down. Line up here. Right here for the wick of the candle. Curve line here. Zigzag up, down, zigzag up, down. Over here along the right and left side, pulling down, pulling down. Circle for kind of some berries. They tend to have like the mistletoe stuff at the bottom of the candles. So we draw another circle over here. And another one down here. So let's draw this grass stuff. So it's going to be like a leaf. Zigzag, zigzag. Pulling down, zigzag, zigzag. Up, zigzag, zigzag. Down, zigzag, zigzag. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. So we got more in the back. Right? It gives a little bit of depth when you do that. Line over here. And we're going to put another one over here, just zigzagging. How many zigzags are in that? Like they're pulling in shapes. It doesn't really matter as long as you get the general impression down. You're looking for a general impression, and you're not looking for, an exactness to it. Let's go over here, and we're going to draw a line across, line across, line across, line across. For, it probably has like a pattern on it, on the candle. And I forgot, draw an inner, thinner shape right there to show like the inside flame, because that's what's really going to sell it. Now let's go in here and add a little bit of color, okay? Nothing too elaborate, nothing too wild. Just some simple colors. First, I'm going to add a green here, and I'm going to go over here to the bottom. So I recommend two different brands of markers. It would be Copic and Prismacolor. I'll put the links in the description. The reason you want that is because they don't smear the marker right here. So right here when I touch, see I'm touching the edge of the marker? Ooh, see I even went through there on that one. It's not smearing the black of the marker. And when you go through it with other markers like Crayola, it will absolutely smear it. And I don't know if they're just because they're cheaper markers or because they're the same brand of marker, but it might be both, honestly. But yeah, just kind of be aware of that. And I would say to not have a headache, definitely, um, you know, basically not have a headache. Buy the good stuff right off the bat. I think it's really worth it, and I think it's yeah, it's really worth it, honestly. But I would use for marker black for the Crayola because you use them so much that it's just good to have it and actually kind of use that. Let's go over here for the red. Well, not the red, the orange and the yellow. This is a bit of an orange. I'm going to put this on the outside here. I would consider this a little bit more, it's maybe like dark yellow actually. Whew, smells bad though. I'd be careful not to inhale them too much because they do smell terrible. Open a window because I know they're bad for your health, I guess, if you inhale them. And I'm going to put like, more pure yellow in the center here. For the, that was a Prismacolor marker. Let's use the red. We're going to go in here and we're going to use the red for the berries here. I'll leave a little bit open there, and over here as well. I'll leave a little bit open here. And across the bar here, it's the bar, the candle stem, I guess you call it. I don't know what you call that. Right here. Over here, line over here, line over here, just kind of make some reflected light off of stuff, like throw some lines right there. Whew, that smell. Please be careful of that smell. Don't inhale that. Stuff's horrible. And that's it. That's a Christmas candle. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button. The like really indicates, kind of like the algorithm, and it really helps the channel out. Also, if you really, really do enjoy this, hit the share button. Go to the bottom right-hand corner, hit the share, and it shares it automatically to whatever platform you're already logged into. You can see the choices down there. Anywhere you share it is amazing, whether you share it to Reddit, Twitter, anywhere you share it, it helps massively, massively. So absolutely hit that share button if you want to help the channel out. It takes 2 seconds to do so, or just share it with a friend. And lastly, I have my entire programs. Go check those out. Those are in the description. Basically, on Skillshare, I teach you the basics of drawing, all drawing. And those are hour-long lessons. They're all geared toward beginners. And that's it. Talk to you later.